Jai Gurudev children. Before exams we had learned up to the means page number 75 multiplication we were learning at that time beta, and in that I taught you that multiplication of a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Up to here I taught you at that time, and I am hoping that everybody of you have completed this page number 75. Now today onwards I am going to start beta, that is multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay, it is on your page number 77. How you will do? Same procedure is same as earlier we were doing. Okay, there is no change in the procedure. How we will do? Just see that 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja beta 5 into 2 10. Okay, what you will write here unit place? What you will write? 0. No, 5 2 ja 10, 0 you will write here. 5 2 ja 10, 0 you will write here. And what is carry? That carry 1 will go here. That carry will go 1 will go here. Okay, now you say that 5 4 ja 20. 5 into 4. Here very less place is there for writing 20. So what you will write unit place? This is 0. So 0. Oh sorry, 5 4 ja 20. Carry is also there na. I forget to add the carry here. Just see here. 5 4 ja 20. I am writing here because there is very less space. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 plus 1 21. 20 plus 1 what it will become? Carry also I am adding 21. Now what you will write? Unit place is 1. So that 1 you will write here. What you will do beta? Here 21 is coming na. So you will write 1 here. And what carry? 2 is as carry. So that 2 you will write here. Understood? Now 5 2 ja 10. Now up to here everybody should learn the table. Now earlier also I have given you task that with the help of the parents every child will learn at least 2 to 10 table. Otherwise it is very good if you will learn up to 2 to 15. Okay, but if you have not learned feeling difficulty, then at this time you learn at least 2 to 10 so that simple addition, subtraction, multiplication you can perform yourself. Okay, now see that beta 5 2 ja 10 or 10 plus 2 12. 10 plus 2 12. I am writing here for the third step. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 or plus 2 is equal to 12. So unit place is 2. Write that 2 here. Okay, and what is carry? That carry 1 will go here. Okay beta. So what it will become? 5 1 ja 5. 5 plus 1 6. So this will be your answer. How much simple it is there. Earlier also you have learned multiplication, and it is very important part of your mathematics. Without all these 4 fundamental operations of mathematics you can't do anything beta. So what are those fundamental operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, it is compulsory to learn for every child. Okay beta. Now come to the next question. अब नेक्स्ट वाले पर आ जाओ. यहाँ देखो क्या है. 5 3 जा 15. कितना होता है 5 3 जा 15. 5 3 जा 15 के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? राइट हियर 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Okay, so 15. Unit place what digit? Always see the unit place because only one unit place digit you will write 5. And 10th place digit always it will go on carry. So this one will go here as carry. Okay, now see that 3 4 ja 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. And what is your carry? Always add that one. 12 plus 1. How much it will? 13. Now tell me which is unit place? 3. So you will write 3 here. And what is your unit place? 10th place now? 10th place is 1. Again that one will go carry here. Okay beta. Now 3 into 3. 3 3. 3 into 3. 3 3 ja beta 9. And what is your carry? 1. 9 plus 1. Always add them into hand. Otherwise many children they are always forgetting to add this carry. In case of addition, subtraction, everywhere you have to add the carry always. How much it will become? 10. What is unit place? 0. So write 0 here. And what 10th place? 10th place will go in the carry here. Okay beta. Now see that 3 2 ja 6. and 6 plus 1 7. So it will be your answer. How much simply you can do that, but you should be alert that while you are adding the that means carryover. Okay, you have to be alert during the carryover multiplication, otherwise simple multiplication are already they are simple. Now see that beta, 5 3 ja 15. Just now I have written 5 3 ja 15. 15 for what I can write, unit place 5. What can be go as a carry? 1. 1 will go here. Okay beta. Now 5 4 ja 5 into 4. 5 4 ja beta 20. Or what is your carry? Plus 1. What it will become? 21. Which number you can write here? 1. Which number you can write here? 1. That one you will write here. Okay beta. Now which number can go in carry? This 2 will go as a carry. Okay. Now see that 5 5 ja 25. I am writing here so that you may understand. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Okay. 25. Or 25 plus 2 carry na, carry. We will not forget carry na. I am repeating this again. 27. Now see that which number is in unit place? 7. Write it 7 here. Which number go as a carry? This 2. This 2 you write here. Okay. Now see that 5 6 ja 30. Or 30 plus 2 32. Now you directly you can write it. How much simply you can do them. Okay, they are not very difficult. Other than this also I will give you for your personal practice so that you may understand as much of as you will do the practice. Okay, more and more practice if you will do, then your mathematical part will become strong. आप जितनी ज़्यादा बेटा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतने ही आप मैथ्स में स्ट्रॉन्ग होगे. आप सोचोगे कि आपको अभी समझ में आ गया, अब आप 4 दिन तक नहीं करोगे तो फिर आपको समझ में नहीं आने वाला बच्चे. ठीक है, आपको डेली 4 एडिशन, 4 सब्ट्रैक्शन, 4 मल्टीप्लिकेशन और 4 डिवीजन आपको करना ही करना है. ठीक है, इतना आपको करना ही करना है, तब आप कर पाओगे कुछ. नहीं तो फिर आपका बेटा ये पार्ट बहुत वीक हो जाएगा. एंड डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर एट होम. घर में भी हो ना, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पेरेंट्स डेली डू योर प्रैक्टिस. वेदर वी आर टेकिंग वंस योर मीन्स मैथमेटिक्स टर्न इज कमिंग once in a week. ओके, बट यू डू योर रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस. एवरीथिंग आई टॉट यू. आप कभी भी कोई सा भी क्वेश्चन एडिशन का, कोई 4 क्वेश्चन सब्ट्रैक्शन के, किसी दिन मल्टीप्लिकेशन के, किसी दिन डिवीजन के, ऐसे करके करते रहा करो ताकि आपकी क्या हो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस हो. और जितनी प्रैक्टिस होगी बच्चे उतने ही आप परफेक्ट होते जाओगे. तो फिर जब व्हेन यू विल कम इन द अपर क्लासेस ना, तो यू विल फील वेरी गुड वाइल बिकॉज यू नो एवरीथिंग. ओके, नाउ सी दैट वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई एम डूइंग बेटा. सी दैट 6 5 ja 30. I will give you more question for your practice also. 6 5 ja beta 30. 30 for what I can write here? 0. What will be carry beta? 3 will be as a carry. Okay. Now see that 5 1 ja 5 and 5 plus 3 how much it will become? 8. Now because 5 1 ja 5 into 1 is equal to 5. What was carry? Plus 3 is equal to 8. It is already in unit place, so no other tens place digit is along with it, so there will be no carry at this time. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5. Okay, very simple question it is beta. Okay, now see that one next question I am doing, and then afterwards I will leave the questions for you. And apart from this all these questions, I will make you one assignment also for you, so that after doing all these questions you will do the question from that also. And in that assignment I will give you few addition, few multiplication and few subtraction for your personal practice, because you are having 1 week, so slowly you just do them. Okay beta, now just see the next question बच्चे. 4 1 ja 4 क्या है हमारे पास में? 4 1 ja 4. 4 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, क्या आएगा? 4 1 जा 4. ठीक है, 4 2 जा 8. ये तो सिंपल है भाई. 4 3 जा 12. अभी दिस इज सी दैट 4 व्हेन टू डबल डिजिट नंबर विल कम ना, एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू बी अवेयर. 12. व्हाट इज यूनिट प्लेस बेटा? 2. सो राइट दैट 2 हियर. ओके, 4 3 जा व्हेन यू हैव मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू दिस ना, एंड कैरी इसके यहाँ नहीं जुड़ेगा, यहाँ तो हम लिख चुके हैं 4 3 जा 12 के लिए 2 लिख चुके हैं इसके लिए, तो कैरी अब किसके साथ में जाएगा, इसके साथ में जाएगा, यहाँ नहीं लिख देना कैरी को। एंड गेटिंग मी और नॉट, यू विल नॉट राइट कैरी हियर। जिस नंबर को हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया उसके लिए तो हमने यूनिट डिजिट लिख दिया है, अब वो कैरी किस नंबर के साथ में ऐड होगा, नेक्स्ट नंबर के साथ में ऐड होगा, यहाँ जाएगा कैरी, कितना है कैरी 1 है, उस 1 को यहाँ लिखो, यू जस्ट राइट इट हियर। ओके बच्चे, नाउ सी दैट 4 4 जा 16, 4 into 4, इसलिए मैं उसके नीचे ही लिख रही हूँ ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए, 16 एंड व्हाट इज योर कैरी बेटा 1 एंड 16 + 1 is 17, so write completely because after no further numbers are there. Okay. Our multiplication has finished over here. Okay, so no need to write now, the complete digit will come, it will be 17. अब हमको कहीं कैरी लिखने की जगह ही नहीं है तो अब हम कहाँ लिखेंगे, are you getting me? So in this way 1 2 3 4 5 part I have done and 1 2 3 4 5 part I am leaving for you. Okay, so first of all you will complete all these questions in your book and afterwards you will complete these question in your copy also. Okay, and along with this I am giving you beta some extra worksheet. In worksheet I am giving you some questions from addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, a division we have not learned, so right now I am not giving you for the division because now we are having very less portion. Okay, in for half yearly maximum part we have already covered. First chapter, first exam you have given from that. In second exam your addition chapter came and that chapter you have prepared. If you have done yourself then all the children have done good. Okay, and now subtraction also I taught you beta, and now we are learning, maybe this should be last or whether one chapter can be after that, I am just right now I am not sure about that. Okay, then afterwards what we will do, means whatever we have learned till now I am going to give you all the question in the form of a worksheet. Okay, you just solve that worksheet beta and show me for correction or whether keep in your copy, and whenever the copies can be called we will do at that time your correction also. Okay, now there should be no mistakes because till here everybody of you have learned. I am hoping that you are learning at your home also. Okay, just enough for today. Thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.